This is the Rex 8 Programmable Robotics Kit. You don't need to be a programmer, but you do need to install the Arduino software. Then follow the blurry instructions and upload the code to your robot. I'm going to demo the tracker bot. It simply follows a black line. In this case, we're going to use some electric tape. Don't ask me how it works. That's the tracker. I just copied and pasted the code. Kit includes everything you need, from batteries to the motors and all the wires. Whoa there, buddy. Calm down. Works pretty well. All the spare parts and other versions that you can build are included in this kit and come in this carrying case. Have yet to build all 8 versions, but you could spend a lot of time on this. The instructions are small, but they do work, and you can view online instructions. So again, no coding experience necessary, no hours for researching. All the instructions, install the software, upload the code, copy and paste, done.